Oh no, I missed my alarm again. I am going to be so late. I don't have time for you. Oh wait, I can't go to work looking like this. Much better. Oh well, at least I'm fashionably late. Listen, I'm feeling so ugly today.
What happened now?
So I've got this dress ready and everything is all good, but my hair looks like a nest. It's like so messy and frizzy.
Why aren't you using the Pantene oil replacement you bought?
But I just colored my hair, right?
It'll fix it, just trust me. It makes your hair smooth, reduces hair fall due to breakage, even for colored hair.
Bye. I'm gonna go try it now. I think it actually looks so much healthier. I could do with some hair popcorn. Is Karan coming? Oh wait, I should be using heat protectant first. Oh my god, my hair looks so much better. I love using the Pantene oil replacement and I've been using this for the longest time now, and I love how it makes my hair feel super smooth, super silky, very manageable, frizz-free, and you can also use this as a conditioner. It works miraculously as a heat protectant and it also helps reduce hair fall due to breakage. This is the best time for you to do so because it's on 15% off on Nykaa, and the link to the product is in the description box down below, so make sure you check that out. Don't forget to share this video, leave a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this, make sure you leave your reply and subscribe to Nykaa TV. I'll see you super soon. Bye.